In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent characters with GPT-4o. Creating well-rounded and reliable characters is crucial for storytelling, whether you're writing a novel, scripting a video game, or even engaging with interactive storytelling. The key to achieving this with GPT-4o lies in mastering its settings and prompts for a personalized experience. First off, let's open ChatGPT. This powerhouse of AI is your gateway to creativity. Once you have it open, you're going to want to fine-tune your approach. Using structured prompts can significantly help if you're looking to ensure the consistency of your character profiles. Structured prompts are essentially detailed questions or scenarios that guide the AI in developing characters in a way that aligns with your creative vision. So if you're aiming for depth or particular traits, feel free to lay the groundwork here. Now, let's move on to the customization options that ChatGPT offers. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on that takes you one step closer to making your ChatGPT experience highly personalized. Once you've clicked on the profile, look for the personalization settings. Personalization is crucial as it helps you tailor the AI's features to better suit your needs. It's where the magic happens, making your character not just consistent, but consistently engaging. Within the personalization menu, you'll want to select ChatGPT's personality. This option lets you align the AI with the tone, style, or quirks that you desire for your characters. Maybe you're writing a comedy and need a quirky AI companion, or perhaps you're in need of a more serious personality for a thriller. This setting allows you to choose how the AI will predominantly behave when crafting dialogue and character traits. Next, you'll add custom instructions. This step allows you to imprint specific guidelines or rules that the AI should follow when generating text. It's like setting boundaries and guidelines for your character, ensuring that they don't drift into traits or behaviors that are out of character. Here, you define the characteristics, backstory, or even the worldview of your characters. To wrap it up, make sure to toggle on a critical feature called Reference Saved Memories. This is where consistency really locks in. By referencing saved memories, ChatGPT can remember details from previous interactions, ensuring continuity for your character's development throughout your sessions. This means that once you've established a character, they will be reliable and consistent in future interactions without you having to reteach or realign settings every time. And there you have it. These steps, when followed properly, will allow you to use GPT-4o to its fullest potential, helping you bring your characters to life in a consistent and engaging manner. Thanks for tuning in, and happy storytelling.